Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and I just wanted to bring y'all a little something different today. Today, I'm just gonna show you some clips of the way my car sounds. Just do some engine sounds, drive-bys, exhaust clips, and then also give you a quick photo shoot. So we're gonna do that right now. So that spot I found was pretty dope. I was able to grab like a couple of pics, which I'll post right after this. But then the security guard came out and was like, you gotta leave. So then I went to go grab my camera gear, and then the security guard was like, if you don't leave now, I'm calling the cops. And I was like, whoa, like, why are you so serious? Like, I just had to grab my camera gear, and they just stood out there and looked at me the whole time while I packed up my camera gear and waited for me to leave. Like, it was that serious. Like, it's a Sunday afternoon, it's like 5:30. There's like nothing going on. We're in the middle. There ain't nothing going on around here, but you know, I'm just taking pictures, and I guess they think I'm plotting to rob the place or something. I don't know. So I'm gonna go ahead and post the clips that I was able to get right after this. So y'all like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me know what y'all think of these pics, clips, and all that. And I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.